Happy Wednesday! I'm glad you decided to join me for some comprehension this morning, or afternoon, or evening, or maybe it's not even Wednesday. I don't know. It's the beauty of online learning. So grab your booklet and a pencil and find a place where you can focus, and we'll get started. All right, grade 5, we're going to learn about the famous Rockettes. So as you read about the Rockettes, think about other activities that require lots of skill and practice. So there's quite a few things that require skill and practice. So the famous Rockettes, let's read. Imagine a long line of dancers performing a difficult high kick at exactly the same time. That was the vision of Russell Marquette, who came up with the idea for the Rockettes back in 1925. The Rockettes, an all-female dance group, have come a long way with their high kicks. They have performed at the Radio City Music Hall in New York City since its opening in 1932. The goal of the Rockettes is for all the dancers to make the same movements at the exact same time, as if they were one person rather than 36. This task requires a lot of practice, skill, and cooperation. The Rockettes perform in more than 200 shows over a 2-month period. The schedule requires a huge commitment from the dancers. Over the years, more than 3,000 women have danced as Rockettes. They say that performing with the group is a dream come true, despite the long hours of practice and the demanding schedule. They love it when the audience stands and cheers. Okay, so now for this part, you're going to write about a time where you saw an athlete or a performer do something amazing. So a time that you saw an athlete or a performer do something amazing. So think about something you might have seen an athlete or a performer do that's pretty amazing. So I'm going to, what am I going to think? I am going to think about a time that I saw a figure skater jump up in the air and flip in the Olympics. So when I watched Olympic figure skating, I saw, sorry, it's very hard to write neatly here. When I watched Olympics, and you guys are going to think of your own. Maybe you saw another one might be, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to switch it to Olympic synchronized swimming. Olympic synchronize, how do I spell that? I'm going to double check. Okay, so I double checked. This is how you spell it, synchronised. Olympic synchronized swimming. They all moved as one. So it looks like they're all moving at the exact same time. They're synchronized. How did remembering this help you understand the passage? This helped me visualize what the Rockettes must look like. This helped me to visualize what the Rockettes look like. Now you are going to have your own answer to this. What the Rockettes look like. So you do your own thing. You can share that with me on Dojo if you like. I guess that's a capital because it's a name. And it doesn't belong to them, so it's just Rockettes, no apostrophe needed. Look like. If I'd said the Rockettes' performances, I would need an apostrophe because it would be their performances that we're talking about, but I was just talking about the Rockettes in general. Okay, read each question, fill in the bubble next to the correct answer. So number 1, according to the passage, what are the Rockettes best known for? So A, their individual dance skills. B, their training with Russell Marquette. C, their high kicks. Or D, their demanding schedule. So they're actually best known for the high kicks. That's something that they're famous about, their high kicks, because they're so synchronized that it looks like they're all moving as one. All right, based on the passage, who was Russell Markert? Was he a member of the audience? Nope. Was he the founder of Rockettes? I think that's the best answer. The first male dancer in the Rockettes? Nope. Or the owner of the city hall? Nope. Music hall? So B, the founder of the Rockettes, is my best answer for this one. For number 3, what theme does the passage communicate? So does it tell you dance is a good form of exercise? It does say that they need to have a lot of practice and skill, but that's not the whole point of the passage. Female and male dancers are different. No, that's not the point of the passage. Many dancers can perform as if they were one. Okay, that's a big part of the passage. And dance has changed over time. That's not what it talks about in the passage. So our best answer is C. Many dancers can perform as if they were one. Number 4, based on the passage, what conclusion can you draw about the Rockettes? So A, it's easy to become a Rockette. B, men have, I don't think that's true because they have to be very skilled dancers. Okay, I don't think it's very easy to become a Rockette. Men have recently joined the group. No, that's not it. C, they're popular with audiences today. Okay, I think, let's read. The Rockettes perform more than 200 shows over a 2-month period. The schedule requires a huge commitment from the dancers. So they're still just as popular today. They're still popular today. So let's go with they're popular with audiences today. If you're going to have over 200 shows in 2 months, you're popular. And they were more popular in the past. It doesn't tell us that. Okay, it does say that over 3,000 women have danced as Rockettes. But let's go with C. They are popular with audiences today. Okay, so that is our comprehension for today. I hope this helps you figure it out. I'll see you tomorrow. Hope that was helpful to you and gave you some pointers on your understanding of the reading today. Make sure you check back in tomorrow for another comprehension video. Have a great day.